To successfully feign an illness and secure a day off, it is advisable to choose a mild ailment like a cold or 24-hour bug that requires rest but not emergency medical attention, and to limit your symptoms strictly to that illness. Building believability starts the day before by showing minor signs of being unwell, such as general tiredness or a slight loss of appetite. The performance itself involves multiple physical and behavioral cues. Use makeup to achieve a pale, sickly look. Move slowly to suggest dizziness, and demonstrate discomfort by being sluggish. Avoid favorite activities and acting cranky or disoriented. If faking a fever, techniques to make your face appear hot and sweaty can be employed, while bundling up suggest feeling cold. Crucially, convey genuine disappointment about missing obligations, and to ensure credibility, avoid a sudden and immediate recovery to prevent suspicion.